So what is the relation between V, omega, and R? You have to know the relation between V, omega, and R. They are vectors. Here wrong. What is the relation? Your mic is off.
Yeah.
Keep your mic on. Don't switch it off. What is the relation?
The relation is omega is equal to v by r, v square by r.
That's not that's not always valid. The one which is always valid is what? It's a vector relation. In terms of vectors.
In that case,
Okay, this cross product.
omega into r.
Like
Yeah.
dot product, we have cross product. Okay, and cross product of two vectors, how is it written? A cross B is what? A dot B is, it's a scalar, and it is A, B into cos of the angle between the two vectors theta. And A cross B is a vector. That is written like this. I, J, K, A1, A2, A3, where A vector is A1 I cap, A2 J cap, A3 K cap, B1, B2, B3. So use this in here. I, J, K, omega is 3 minus 4, 1, R is 5, minus 6, 6. This you know how to expand, right?
Yeah.
Determinant. Get the answer.
Yeah, minus 18 comma minus 30 j cap plus 2k cap. It's option D.
Pick the answer.
It is option D, yes.
What about 14?
14th one. Again, dot product. Using that, we have to find addition vector.
A cross B is AB sin theta. Okay. A dot B is AB cos theta. So from that I get tan theta as 1 by root 3. Okay. That means the angle between the two is 30 degrees. So A plus B I can write as A square plus B square plus 2EB cos theta. Okay, so it will come out to be option E. 2EB cos theta, option E. Check the answer.
The answer is option A.
So for the given statement, you'll get tan theta as 1 by root 3. So A cross B is AB sin theta. A dot B is AB cos theta. Sorry. A cross B is sin theta. So from there, you get tan theta as root 3. So theta is 60 degrees then. What mistake I'm making? A cross B is AB sine theta. So tan theta is root 3, right? So theta is 60 then. And cos 60 is half. So it should be option D. Check the answer. It's D.
Yeah, the root 3 part. It's option D. The root 3 part is not there.
Yeah, that's what. Tan theta is 60 degrees.
Yeah.
Question 15, you know,
Yeah, I know. I know this one.
determinant.
In F vector, asking to find torque, force vector.
Determinant.
Just a minute, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir. We can continue.
ah. Question number 18. Work done is F dot ds for small displacement, but when the force is uniform, it will become total work will become F dot S. S is R final minus R initial. R final is 1439. R initial is 32 minus 6. So from that I can get the displacement as 14 minus 3, 11, 11, 15.
Okay.
Check the answer.
Sir. 300 Jacob.
Work done is number, scalar.
Work done is equal to force by time taken, right, sir?
No, F dot ds, no.
F dot S. Yeah, force into displacement.
Not into dot product.
Yeah. So amount of displacement to calculate is 11 I cap plus 11 J cap minus 3 K cap. Then
Plus
work
15.
done is given.
Displacement is plus 15 K cap. 9 minus 6, no.
Yeah.
So it's plus 15 K cap.
15 K cap. K cap unit vector you can assume. Then yeah, it is like option C.
Check the answer.
Yeah, it is option C.
What about NLM worksheet they have given?
Now this only.
No, this DPP is on vectors, right? What about
The
NLM?
other one, motion in a straight line kinematics.
No, that is there for the tomorrow's test.
Yeah. Motion in a
There.
plane chapter full is there. Then loss of motion till conservation of
So
inertia.
DPP is there for loss of motion.
Yeah. Till conservation of momentum we have.
No, loss of motion, they are not given DPP.
No. They haven't till now. Only till vectors.
Okay. So before this vectors, what is there? Well, straight lines, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to try these questions. This one. Very simple question. Get the answer.
Yeah. The answer for that is the normal reaction for the force they have given. 30 degrees theta they have given. Then 70 cos theta. The 800 newtons is the answer.
This one.
Mass 1 kg is 100 with that proportion.
Can you use
Sir,
the
what is
theorem?
tension formula again? I
You can use
forgot.
the theorem. Lamy's theorem.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. T by cos 30 or sin 30 equal to T by sin 60.
This angle is 90 degrees.
2
Because
T1
30
equal
plus
to
60 is 90. Straight at 180. So 90. And this angle is 180. So T1 by the opposite angle.
2
That is sine
T
270. Sorry. No, 270. T1 by 90 plus 30. It's 120.
Sir, what is tension formula?
What is what formula?
Tension formula.
You don't need that, no? Lamy's theorem. You just have to get the value of. So T1 by this opposite angle is this much angle. From here to here. Which is 90 plus 30, 120. Equal to T2 by the opposite angle is 90 plus 60.
That
Okay. Equal to
60.
mg by sine 90. Sine 180 minus 60, that is sine 60, which is root 3 by 2 equal to T2 by sine 90 plus 60. That will become
5 comma 5 root 3.
cos 60. Cos 60 is half. It is G.
In case of T1 and T2 respectively, mg by 1
T2 is
is
5.
mg. T2 is 5. T1 is 5 root 3.
Option A.
Yeah.
So three forces, they are in equilibrium, means you can use the Lami's theorem, which is based on sine rule of a triangle. This one, similar to the previous
By
question.
2 6 by T1 and T2. And it's T1 and T2 they're asking. Mg is equal to 10. Option B.
Cos 60 is half.
Yeah.
D is not true because
Yeah, because it can't be 45 both of them.
so theta is 30 degrees.
Option C.
Okay, but how to find T2 one side?
There's in theta to the bigger side.
Yeah. So much theta 1, theta 2 not. So theta 1 plus theta 2 will be 90. Mg, in terms of mg only they are given, right? So from this I'll get T2 as cos theta 1, which is cos 6, which is half. So half mg. Yeah, it's also true. I'll get this from this one. Okay, theta 1 plus theta is 90 degrees. So it is 1. So T2 is mg into cos theta 1, which is cos 60, which is half. So mg into half. So this is also true.
Yeah.
So here I'm not exactly solving for theta 1, theta 2. I'm just looking at the option and eliminating it. Okay. Understood? Your mic is off.
Yeah.
I'm not exactly finding theta 1, theta 2. I'm looking at the option eliminating. Okay. So this is gone. This is
Okay.
gone. B is also gone. Okay. D is also gone. And then I'm getting C.
Elimination method of answers.
So capital M is heavy. So M is moving down. Okay. So It's a straightforward question, but you have to solve the full thing. So from the first part, from the capital M, you can get the tension of the string. And that tension you can use for the small m. So for this block, I'll get this tension value as acceleration is given, right? So the net downward force is mg sine theta minus t equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, so everything is given. If you can find the tension, mass is 10 kg, capital M, G is 10, sine theta is 3/5. Acceleration is given. So this will give me tension. As some number. Okay, so that I can use here. So for this one, tension mg. Oh, I made a mistake here. Sine theta should be sine 53, right? So sine, we have to use this theta as 53 degrees. So sine 53 is 4/5. Because for sine, as the angle increases, the value will increase. So sine 37 is 3/5. Sine 53 is 4/5. So here in this one, this is going up. So the net output force is T minus mg sine 37 equal to the small m and the acceleration which is given. So from this you can find the value of small m. This is the method. Understood the method, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can do it. So, but be careful for the capital M, sine theta is 53 degrees. For the small m, theta is 37 degrees. Okay. So any other question? You have any doubts?
No, sir. No.
Then you can try this one.
Okay. Coefficient of friction.
So if you
That
take
they have
this,
not taken, sir.
Newton laws of motion, they're not taken.
Coefficient of friction they haven't taken.
Okay. Question 9 is trivial. RB is this one, R boat. And then R water is this one. So RB minus RW. So First one minus the second one. It is by plus 6.
Just a minute, sir.
Plus 8.
I'll be back.
Option C.
Yeah. Sir, like just a minute, I'll be back.
Question 4. So B and C are true.
Yes. Yes.
Is the correct answer? B is true because the total net force is the vector sum of the forces, which should be 0. And this thing is P and W will have a resultant like this, which is mean P square plus W square. That should balance this T square. Or I can say T should balance square root of P square plus W square. Because sum of P and W will be here. Question 12, you know, right?
Yeah. Then 120-meter long train moving west with a speed of 10 meter per second. Like bird flying is. Okay, this thing is 10 seconds because this thing displacement again d is equal to 120. Length given,
So
then speed is
120 by 15.
120 by 15.
Check the answer D.
Yeah, d 8 meter per second. 8 seconds.
So the train is moving like this towards west. And the train is 120 meters long, right?
20 by 15.
And speed of the train is so actually the bird is like at the front of the train.
Both are moving in opposite directions, so we can just add the speeds and divide it by 120.
Yeah. The bird is going from here to here. So if the bird is not moving, then the time taken will be 120 by the velocity of the train. If the train is not moving, then the velocity time taken will be 120 by velocity of the bird. So the both are moving and they're moving such that it will cross the train faster. So both the velocities add up.
Yeah.
Okay, less than a minute is there. So all the best for your test.
Thank you, sir.
So the marks have come previous test.
Yeah.
How much?
They have sent 150, 157.
157
Yeah.
out of 180.
Yes.
Out of 720.
Out of 720, like 500 something.
Why less?